8th April 2026 on a Wednesday morning. This is how the market looks like. So there has been not ceasefire, but there has been a halt to the war situation based on what Mr. Trump has tweeted yesterday. So we had intervention from the Pakistan government, all crap. But anyways, so on what day is it? Wednesday, 8th April 2026, running at a profit of around 3,400. Today has been a tricky market. Market has bounced almost 600 to 700 points up. So that is because of one news that has changed the whole sentiment, wherein Trump had announced that there will not be further attacks for the next 2 weeks and they're going to get into a compromise mode. Anyways, so how does it matter to us? Uh, it's a good news. War is never good for any community, and it's not a nice thing. It is a negative factor, and whether there is war or if there's no war, as a trader, the only thing is we have to mint money, and the market gives us opportunity on a daily basis. So I'm clocking around 4,000 rupees profit here. But the whole point is, if you are good at trading, you can make money in any situation, be it any kind of war or any pandemic, or when the market is doing well, there is good news. So we need to be able to capitalize the market. So that's exactly what I'm doing. So my profits are above 4,000 rupees. I'm expecting one more bounce here. But then what has happened is market has already bounced yesterday. 600 points is a major stuff. So expecting the market to further bounce might not be a what do you say, a wise thing. But I'm looking for my profit, so I'm just waiting for my targets to hit. I already made 5,000 in the morning, but then I didn't book my profit, and I literally had to square off the position without any profit. And I've entered a trade now. Normally, I don't trade around this time because this is around 1:30 in the afternoon. My trades normally get over by 11:30. So 10:30 to 11:30 is the time frame that I normally trade. So today I was in one trade and I couldn't. I was expecting a bigger profit, but then I think I made around 6,000 rupees and I didn't exit and literally had to give away back to the market. So got back into this particular trade. Let's see if I'm able to capitalize the moment and make a good profit. Ideally, I should be able to make some good amount, but as you always have seen, market is supreme. Anything and everything can happen on a single day. Fingers crossed. 3,000 rupees, 3,300, 3,400. So this is my profit amount, 3,500 that you see. Let's see what happens to the market. 3,700, 3,900, 4,000 rupees, 4,000 rupees. Come on, come on. 4,000 rupees. That's awesome. 4,100, 4,134. Let's see how far can the market stretch. It's my lunch time. I have to go and have my lunch. But I'm still on this trade, waiting for this position to be done for me to book my profit. Only then I'll be able to have a good lunch. Or rather, I would be able to enjoy the lunch. Oh God, what's happening? 3,800. the market is definitely going to go up. There's no doubts about it. So when there was global fear, global sentiments was pretty bad, war situations, crude oil prices going up, I was with the only gut feeling that this is not going to be a long term uh, a problem. This definitely, the war situation is going to subside, and the crude price is going to anyways come down once the situation gets under control. So that means the stock market has to bounce. So I have not sold even one stock in my portfolio, even when the market was crashing. There are two reasons for it. All these problems are temporary. Second thing is, I have been investing in the top stocks in the Indian stock market with great growth potential, which has been growing at a very fast pace. So for me, there is no point to get rid of any of these stocks or equities. So I have stayed invested, and definitely this market, during the market correction, the stock prices would have come down, the profits would have come down. But when you compare to the other companies which are not really doing good, in which I have no investments, so they have dropped almost like 50 to 60%, 70%. My stocks have hardly gone down much. So, so what happens is, if you're invested in good companies, you will not have a bad fall during the weak times, and once the market uh, recovers, your stocks will fly. So that is the whole point. So once you see the recovery, I'm very sure that my stocks will fly and make a lot of money. But as of now, I'm just looking at my Nifty. So I'm not really very keenly following what is happening to the stock profiles, because for me, what that amount gets made. But the main thing that I try to follow is to make money on a daily basis, accumulate wealth. Manoram, okay, all my stocks are doing well today, so nothing that I have to really worry about. So profit is around 3,700 rupees, 3,900. Come on, give me a crazy bounce. This already is a good profit for me, but let's see how much further can I capture. Ideally, the market should give me a good bounce. I don't know why it's taking so long. Guys, this has been already around 30-35 minutes. I didn't want to stream this video or record this video and put it on YouTube, but then I thought, let me try and capture a video and have it documented. There are two benefits. One is I can always go back and check my trading style, and 5,000 rupees is my profit. 5,000, 5,600, 5,500, 5,800. Let me 5,200, 5,400. I'll try to book one lot at least. Pretty happy with the profits, but I'm expecting it to further go up. 5,3, 5,4. So this is the amount that I'm looking at. 5,600, 5,800, 5,2, 5,400, 5,003. Oh, it's come down. That's okay. I'm expecting a good bounce, and I'm getting that bounce as well. So I'm at 5,600, 5,500, 5,499, 5,006, 5,600. I'll try to book one position. 5,800, 5,700, 5,800, 5,700, 5,800. Crazy. 5,500, 5,3, Come on. $5,300. It's very difficult, guys, for me to hold the phone, shoot the video, because I don't know where to focus. Of course, I know where to focus. 5,400, 5,300, 5,400. Will I be able to make a 10K today? Let's see. 10K would be awesome. That means the market still has to bounce. I'll book one position at 5.8 or 6K. You can see my hand is shivering because my phone is too heavy. 6,000, 6,900. I've exited one position. Let me see if I can get a further spike. Fix 6,600, 700, 7,000, 7,000, 7,200, 7,300, 7,500. This is crazy. I think I'll book it at 7. Let me not play greedy. Oh my god, 7,000 rupees. So I booked my profit. The market is coming down. Anyways, that's a good day today. There was one. Let me just go on to my positions. I was able to clock only 6,900 rupees. But there was a 500 in negative. So my total profit is 6,900, which is a very good stuff. But why didn't I try to book it at a good price? So market can still go up. But anyways, that's okay. So what I've done is I've made a decent profit of 6,900 rupees, 7,000 rupees or some stuff. Good trade, good end to the trading session on 8th. So I booked it at 7,500 or so, but by the time the position got exited, the price came down. So that is part and parcel of the game. So that's okay. You can't do much about it. So ending the day on a good note, 6,399 rupees, and the market is coming down. There's a red candle. If I would have held my position, I would have the profit would have reduced further. But anyways, that is how it is. So finally, a decent profit. I'm happy. I will go have my lunch on a good note. On that care, take care, Shabba care, Shubratri, do whatever you want. Bye bye.